Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to add some extra protection and off-road visibility to the front of your Ram. Bull bars are a great way to add some extra protection and a custom look to the front of your truck. So today we're going to be installing this LUND Bull Bar on the front of our 2015 Ram. This is LUND's black bull bar designed to fit your 2009 to 18 Ram. It's made of 3.5-inch oval steel tubing with a textured black powder coat finish for an aggressive look, and it comes with a skid plate and a 20-inch LED light bar with a wiring harness for improved off-road visibility. It's designed to bolt directly to the Ram and will give it a little bit more protection up front. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, 11/16 socket, an extension, 1/2-inch ratchet, 19mm socket, 13mm wrench, 11/16 wrench, 18mm wrench, 19mm wrench, and a trim panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Okay, as you can see, we have the truck up on the lift. You don't need a lift to do this. We just have it up in the air so you can see it better. The first thing we're going to do is remove the splash guard on the bottom of the bumper. Okay, the splash guard is connected to the bumper with a 10mm bolt on each end and then a bunch of plastic clips. We're going to remove this 10mm bolt and then all the clips. Remove the bolt, then you can move on to the clips. So there's about 13 of these white clips holding the splash guard on. Pull up on the centerpiece with a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. And then remove the main portion. And do that to all 13. Once you get the last clip, it'll come right off. Okay, at this point of the installation, it'll slightly vary if your truck does or does not have tow hooks. Our truck does not have tow hooks. So at this point, we're going to remove the nut right here and here on the frame and install our first bracket. Grab the bracket that's labeled D for driver's side and install it with the factory nut. Just get these hand tight right now. Do not fully tighten them. You might need to make some slight adjustments later on. Install the same bracket on the passenger side. Now install the other driver's side bracket onto the one you just installed and secure it with the provided washers and nut. You can now attach the provided support bracket to the bracket that you just installed and then to the frame using the provided hardware. And on trucks without the tow hooks like ours, this bracket can be installed in any orientation. Attach it to the frame with the provided bolt. Just get this snug, do not fully tighten it just yet. Repeat the same process for the other side for these two brackets, then we can move over to the workbench. All right, at this point, we're going to install the light bar. Use the hardware that comes with the light bar to secure it. Grab the final two brackets and install them on the bottom of the bull bar, and make sure this portion of the bracket is on the inside. Just get these hand tight for now, do not fully torque them. Get the other one installed. We can now take this over to the truck. Now with some help, you can raise the bull bar into place and install it with the provided hardware. With the bull bar installed, you can go back and tighten down all your brackets. Make sure you have the bull bar properly adjusted to your liking, and then go back and tighten all the hardware. Okay, now that we have the bull bar installed, you can do two things at this point. You can either leave it the exact way that it is right now, or you can attempt to reinstall the splash guard. And to do that, you need to make some cuts in it to make it fit over the brackets. We're not going to do that in this video. We're just going to leave it off and run it just like this. So now all we have to do is use the provided wiring harness, hook up the light bar to the battery, and then run the switch into the cab, and we're done. Okay, we got our LUND Bull Bar installed on the front of our 2015 Ram. It definitely helps this thing to look a lot more aggressive, and we do offer this in chrome if you don't want the black one. I'd say give yourself 2 to 3 hours to install this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.